morning to everyone in the world. By me it's afternoon. I hope you guys have a good night's sleep. I'm good today. Yeah, today I'm just checking TVs again. Add it again. Some TVs work. This TV right here, so multi-choice stuff, not compared to our decoder here, and I don't know why. I just found it out. The other rooms is fine, most of them, but I don't understand why some rooms is not on yet. It's weird, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoy your guys' morning. It's afternoon now by me. I start my walk a little bit late, but I hope you guys have a good day, happy day, fun day, enjoyable day. Catch you guys later. So guys, I just in the room now fixing the cupboard. I just actually fixed it. I didn't even footage the broken one. You can see here I fixed this one, and that one down there is a little bit dark, but I fixed this one. They were all out and everything was hanging, but I fixed it quickly. A little bit of a struggle, but yeah, I fixed it and I got it right, and that's so cool. But yeah, I just fixed that one quick. I promise you guys there will be better vlogs in the future. This is only of my work and what I'm doing daily stuff and what I do after work. Sometimes I will do more than one video per day. I will see how it goes. When I travel, I will do videos on that. Wherever I go, I'll make a video and you guys are with me. But for today, to the next clip, shop. So guys, it's the end of my days, actually a little bit later now, but I just want to end my vlog right over here. I hope you guys enjoyed. I took a little bit airplane footage. 2 airplanes went up. I'm happy about that. So yeah, I hope you guys have a good day. Wherever you are in the world, night, morning, afternoon. I hope you guys have a good one. Catch you guys later. So one more thing you guys have to do is like, share, subscribe. Don't forget notifications bell. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.